Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Edmund Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve if you're coming across an error message on your Windows 11 or Windows 10 computer that reads, "This app has been blocked for your protections. An administrator has blocked you from running this app. For more information, contact the administrator." Alright, so without further ado, and let's go ahead. So kung paano ba natin ito i-fix? Alright, so all you have to do is to right-click on Start menu and then select mo lang dito yung Run. So dito sa Run command and then dito sa Run box ay kailangan mo lang i-type yung command keyword na gpedit.msc or ito yung tinatawag na Local Group Policy Editor. And then next step ay itap mo lang tong OK. And then dito sa Local Group Policy Editor, ang next step ay dito lang sa Computer Configurations. Under nito ay kailangan mo lang select dito yung Windows Settings. So i-click mo lang tong arrow na to para mag-expand. And then dito sa Windows Settings and then next step ay select mo lang dito yung Security Settings. And then dito sa Security Settings, ang next step ay select mo lang dito yung Local Policy. Okay, so click mo lang siya. And then dito sa Local Policy, ang next step ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung security options. So dito kailangan mo lang mag-double click and then lalabas ng kanyang policy settings. So ang next step ay scroll down at hanapin natin yung user account control, admin approval mode for the built-in administrator account. So dito kailangan mo lang i-select and right click. Then select mo lang dito yung properties and then pop up ng kanyang properties na local security settings. So ang next step dito ay kailangan mo lang select dito yung disabled and then click mo lang tong apply, click mo lang tong OK. And then next ay close lang tayo dito sa Local Group Policy Editor and then dito sa Start menu and then click mo lang tong Restart. Okay, so click mo lang siya para maayos yung problem. Alright, so ganoon lang po kasimple kung paano natin i-fix ng "This app has been blocked for your protections" message in your Windows 11 or Windows 10. Okay, so please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.